Good morning, friends. I welcome all today's lecture. Today topic is note making and also note taking. So directly we move on main topic note making. Before that we discuss the difference between note making and note taking. Taking notes from a lecture, talk, or text in a book is a skill. It is a you have to need a skill to take notes from a lecture or talk or from a text. You need a skill to note points. You should be attentive to details and must be able to identify the key points while listening to or reading something. You should be attentive. You should be alert while you listening the main points from a lecture or a talk. You should be attentive. If you should listen clearly, you can make notes easy. So you should be attentive while you make a notes. After listening, you should be able to recall and elaborate on whatever you have listened to based on the points you have noted down. When you listen the talk or in seminar, if you want to make notes, you should be recall what have you listened so far. Based on that, you make a notes. So you should be recall everything what you have listened. You can test yourself on whether you are able to recall and reconstruct the whole information without taking notes. So it is a test to yourself whether you are able to recall or not. It's depend on you, on your attentive and the listening carefully. Through this test you can assess your memory. So if you make notes clearly, then you recall everything clearly. Otherwise it's depend on your recalling and depend on your memory. It is likely the much of what you have listened to will be forgotten by the end of the lecture or reading. Many times you forget what you have listened because it depends on our memory or recollection. Note taking during lecture is an important skill that one must master in order to have a written record of the lecture. If you want to note taking some points from a lecture, it depends on your skill. By this skill you can note down the points. Similarly, note making is an important study skill wherein you jot down the key points from what you read and assimilate all the information in a systematic order. So it is a slightly different from the note taking. So note making is depend on it's a process and you should be clearly write down the points. This skill can be extremely helpful for students during examinations for the purpose of revision. If you make notes, it will help you. You study number of pages on one topic. It is an elaborate matter. So especially for the students while they are preparing for examinations, if they make notes from their elaborate subject, it will helpful to them while their revision before the examinations. So note making is a very important skill. It will help to the students. Note making skills. Note making is an important reading skill. It involves the identification of main idea or governing thought supported by relevant data and specific information. It involves the identification of main idea and governing thought supported by relevant data and specific informations. So that's why note making is an important reading skill. Notes are usually made to record a speech or dictation while listening to it to refer back to reproduce in the desired way. Okay, and you should record a speech or dictation from while listening to it, so it should be present in a desired way. While reproducing the details, the text of the notes, the meaning of the draft or the speech remains the same. It should not be distorted. Whatever it is, if you want to note make, it should be not deviate from the what is the main idea. So you should be careful when you write notes. You remember that. Personal comments or views should not be included while explaining the notes. If you want to explaining the notes, you can add your views and your opinions and also your comments. There is no problem. Okay. Why note are necessary? Knowledge is advancing and expanding so fast that we have to learn it with the same speed. So today world is very fast. If you equip to that kind of knowledge, you should be expand your memory, knowledge and your activity to catch that one. Human mind is not a computing machine to store all the knowledge important. There are lots of knowledge available. So our mind is not a computer. Of course it is a computer machine, but not extend to that. That's why it is some problems to memorize everything and remember everything. We have to take notes and develop them into our own best use of our own details to prepare and make maximum and the best use of our teacher's lesson or lecture, which is outcome of their learned valuable labor. So while you listen a lecture or talk, you should be try to note down the main points for your future purpose, because they are very valuable matter. Notes therefore are very important for almost all educated persons, teachers, lawyers, doctors and students as well. So they are very important. They are useful for not only students, every educated persons like teachers or lawyers and doctors and students as well. So if we make notes, we should remember some essential characteristics of notes. There are four main characteristics to make notes. They are four in number. The first one is they are short. If you want to note make anything, that should be short. And the second point is complete information. If you make notes, that should not be coherent and should be clear, not confusion. So it should be cover complete information where you make notes. And the third point is use short forms, not elaborate forms where you make notes. And it should be logical and thinking. These are the four main characteristics of notes. The way, well, if you go into deep, the one by one, the first one is they are short, they are written in keywords or phrases and not in sentences. So if you make notes, that should be in short, like keywords and phrases. You show like that. Don't write in elaborate sentences. There is no need to care for grammatical accuracy. Don't depend more on grammatical accuracy. They are short, brief, and compact, and giving complete thought with your short make notes. And then the second point is characteristic of notes is complete information. The notes should contain all the important points or information. You have to show, you have to write the important points or information. Nothing important or crucial to the draft or the speech is to be missed. Adjectival or qualifying phrases or sentences and explanatory parts of the main parts are left out. So you should be try to show complete information rather than incomplete information. That's why you have to be follow the complete information. We'll make notes. Use of short forms to save time and labor. Popular abbreviations and symbols are used. So if you write elaborate information, that's not be good. If you highlight the important points, or you have to use abbreviations and symbols are used. Own abbreviations are also coined, but they should be clear and intelligible. That should be shows your knowledge, and it should be very clear information. You have to make notes. That should be intelligible and also be clearly. And the fourth point is logical. Notes are in logical and natural order under relevant headings and subheadings for easy and quick reference. If you write anything, it should be small points, or it should be in order and should be heading and subheadings. By these we can clearly understand and remember the points, and that should be helpful for our quick reference. So then the main point we have to focus on how to make notes. Before making notes, read the passage at least thrice. You should read and understand the whole point. What is the passage about here? You should understand by reading once or twice or thrice. You should be read at least thrice to understand the what is the passage is talking about. This helps in identifying the main points and their sub points and arranging them. You should be maintain that cover main points and sub points and arranging them properly. If necessary, Note making is essentially the skill to put a great deal of information in a few words in an intelligible form and including all its essential points. When you make notes from a elaborate passages, it should be very clearly and intelligible way to need to reference in future purposes. So it is a skill to uh, follow the headings, subheadings, and main and also main points while making notes. Suggesting a title. It is very important while make notes. To make notes, first read the passage from beginning to end. To make notes, first read the passage from beginning to end. Try to find out what the passage deals with, or what is author's view about this passage, what is going to tell, what is the intention of the writer write this passage. You should find out that point first. This will guide you to suggest the title. Then you can get the idea of what should be you are going to put a title this passage. The title should be either a word or a short phrase. It should not be a sentence. So you remember, the title should not be in a sentence. You have to write at least a word or a short phrase, not in elaborate sentence. Well, make notes. You should finding the main points from the passage. Now see how the author has developed the theme and divide the passage accordingly into main points. Take care that each part deals with one main point related to the theme of the passage, and also find a suitable heading for each part. This will be your main points. While you make notes, you should not be write one points or 2 points. You can make 1, 2, 3, 4 like points, and you should be divide the main points properly. And also, while making notes, you can write the sub points to the passage. The next step is to find details of each main point. Each detail will make a subheading under its main point, and there can be further details of subheading. Then only you can understand what is the passage is understood to us. How to write notes? You must write your notes in proper note form as given below. First, write the title. It is the first step where you make notes. And then the notes in logical order, using figures and letters to show main headings and subheadings as given below. So, after reading the passage, you give a title to that passage and write a main heading like Roman letters 1, 2, 3, etc. And subheadings like 1, 2, 3. After that, sub and subheadings like ABC. So in this way you can make notes clearly. That should be a proper way. Remember, we'll make notes from the main headings to the subheadings. The numbering should be spaced a little to the right. Do not write your notes in complete sentences. Use words or brief and clear phrases which may not be grammatically correct. Make use of abbreviations and symbols. While making the notes, you can use the abbreviations and symbols that should be clear and brief. And you have to maintain the proper way while remembering, or while you make notes like a main heading and subheading and further subheadings. You should be careful. Then only you can make a notes. So at the end, you should remember some points where you make note making. Read the whole passage carefully and try to understand its central idea. use this central idea to give a title to the passage. The title should be brief and should provide the gist of the passage. If the essay runs into paragraphs, you need to give separate subheadings to different paragraphs based on the ideas presented in them. Under each subheading, write down the key points of that paragraph. Write down only the main points in brief. You need not write complete sentences. Lastly, you can take notes in shorthand using abbreviations and symbols. This is the complete way of while making notes. With this lecture, I wind up this session. I look forward to you in another lecture. Thank you very much.